Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sharmishta and this is English with Sharmishta. Today's video is specially for the students of class 11 of West Bengal Board, those who have commercial leaflets in their syllabus. From the title of this video, you must have understood that today's video is about commercial leaflets. I will tell you what are the important steps to write a commercial leaflet for your exam. You may need to know about commercial leaflets even if you own a business. So, this video can be useful for you even if you want to get commercial leaflets printed for your own business. Today I will demonstrate how you will write a commercial leaflet for your exam, especially if you have only a pen with you and you are allowed to use a single colored pen. Firstly, you must understand what are commercial leaflets. Let me show you how they look. You must have seen this kind of commercial leaflets that come with your newspapers. These two are commercial leaflets. They are loose pieces of pages and they are printed and distributed freely to a number of people so that the advertisement of a shop or the advertisement of an agency reaches a number of people and these people can approach them and their business can grow. So commercial leaflets are a kind of advertisements, but they are not printed into the newspaper but come as loose pages. So you will need to write a commercial leaflet if it comes in your exam or even if you own a business. In case a person wants to get his or her commercial leaflet printed for his or her own real business, in that case, they can go to a printer's shop and they can get the advantage of all the color printers and all the technologies possible. But in this case, when you have to write a commercial leaflet in your exam, you are using only a paper and a pen. So you have to just follow the questions. For example, the question comes like, you are the owner of a gym. Your gymnasium is going to open soon and you write a commercial leaflet for your gym that is going to open soon. So how would you write that commercial leaflet? So this is the commercial leaflet that I have created for you. Now look at the shapes that I have made to highlight certain things that I want people to notice. Qualified personal trainers to guide you. Some trainers will guide you while you will exercise in the gym and they are properly qualified for the job. So this is surrounded with a shape that I made up to make it noticeable. Then I have used this shape to write fabulous equipments. That means the equipments are going to be good. The equipments of the gym. Opening soon near you. This is another thing that I want people to notice. And enjoy your fitness. That means you will enjoy the journey of your fitness. That is also another thing I want people to notice. These are the 4 things that I made shapes and written them inside the shape. Then I have written the date, opening on 1st November. This is the date that I have mentioned without the year because everybody knows which year is going on. 10% discount for first 50 admissions. First 50 admissions will get 10% discount in the admission fees. Then I have mentioned the address near Shodhpur railway station. This is an imaginary address that I have used. For more details contact, I have given an imaginary number. So the things that you should have noticed that I have used bold letters for highlighting certain things. I have used some shapes to highlight certain things and I have written the whole thing inside a box so that people will notice that this is a commercial leaflet and this is limited inside the box. That means they come into loose pages, printed loose pages, and I am writing them in the notebook to get my exam done So I have to write it inside a box. Now you have to give some imaginary address, imaginary contact details. The name should also be imaginary. Everything you have to imagine. The specialities also, you have to think what speciality you will use. This is how a perfect commercial leaflet is done. Observed how I have written the commercial leaflet. This is the way of writing the commercial leaflet. It can be written for a travel agency. It can be written for a jewelry shop or any kind of shop that is going to open, restaurants. What specialities should be there in the restaurants or the travel agency arranging a tour to some place, or any jewelry shop that is going to open, or some discount that an old shop is providing. Suppose the shop already exists but the shop is going to provide some discounts for some particular festive season. So all of these things can be mentioned in a commercial leaflet. Rather, commercial leaflets are meant for those only. A thing that is opening newly, or an old thing that is giving some new offers for some festival that is already arriving or has already arrived. So these are the things very necessary to know about a commercial leaflet. So the points that you should note for writing a commercial leaflet are: number one is that you should mention the name of the place, that is the title. Suppose it is a jewelry shop or a garments shop or a gymnasium, whatever it is, you have to write the name, and imaginary name should be given by you. Next, you can use bold letters wherever necessary. Thirdly, you can use various shapes with your pen to highlight the things that you want people to notice. Fourthly, you have to provide an address and a contact number. Fifthly, it's very important that first you have to make a square, a box with your pen using a scale, and you have to write your commercial leaflet inside it. It is supposed to mean that when it is printed in a page, it will be limited to a page. Similarly, when you are writing it down in your notebook or your answer script, you have to limit it inside a box. So that's also very necessary. So in this way, your commercial leaflet is complete. If you write your commercial leaflet like this, you are going to get full marks for it. That's all for my video today. I am sure this video is going to be useful for you. And for more such useful videos, you can subscribe to my channel. If you liked my video, do like and share it, and keep learning new things every day. Keep enriching your English, and do take a very good care of yourself till I come with my next video. Bye for today.